What is the Statute of Limitations? My name is David R. Price Jr. and I'm a personal injury trial attorney in Greenville, South Carolina. I dedicate my practice to helping injured people, and I want to share some valuable information with you. One thing that injured people and their attorneys need to determine very early on is the statute of limitations that is applicable to their case. If a person does not file suit or settle their case prior to the expiration of their statute of limitations, then they will lose the right to bring a lawsuit or to otherwise recover for their injuries. It is vitally important to remember that the statute of limitations must be determined according to the specific facts of your case. So you should contact an attorney immediately to determine the applicable statute of limitations that applies to you. Please do not take this video as legal advice to be applied to your specific case. However, I did want to let you know that the general rule of thumb for personal injury cases in South Carolina is a 3-year statute of limitations. This means that if you are injured on July 1st, 2012, you must bring your lawsuit by July 1st, 2015, or the statute of limitations will expire. In addition, however, if your injuries were caused by a governmental entity, then your statute of limitations in South Carolina is actually 2 years. In many cases, particularly in medical malpractice cases, it can be very difficult to determine at first whether the person or entity responsible for your injuries was a governmental entity or a governmental employee. Therefore, it is very important that you talk to an attorney about your case prior to 2 years since the incident in which you were injured. It is also important to remember that if the incident occurred in another state besides South Carolina, then their statute of limitations may be specific to that state. Some states, such as Tennessee, may have statutes of limitation as short as 1 year. It is therefore very important that you talk to an attorney as soon as possible from the date that you are injured. My name is David Price and I help injured people every day. If you've been injured by somebody else, then I want to help you. Please call me at 864-271-2636 or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com. I want to give you the personal, dedicated representation that you deserve.